sales, and he was 1 week away from quitting. His name was Ahmed. He had saved for 2 years for this one moment. He rented a small space, arranged every laptop perfectly, put up his sign, and waited. But nobody stopped. Not because his products were bad, not because his prices were wrong. He just looked like everyone else. So he tried everything. He dropped his prices. He posted on social media every single day. He changed his signs. He rearranged the entire shop. Nothing worked. One night, sitting alone in that empty space, surrounded by laptops nobody wanted, he was done. But before he walked away, something made him stop. He decided to just watch. He stood there, silent, observing every person who came close, who picked up a laptop, looked interested, then walked away without buying. And then one man finally told him the truth. "I want to buy. I really do. But here's the thing. What if something breaks? Every seller I've dealt with, the moment there's a problem, they vanish. I'm left with a broken machine and no one to call. That's what stops me." That sentence hit like a wall. Ahmed didn't lower his price that night. He didn't run more ads. He made a promise. Simple, clear, honest. If anything breaks, I will fix it. If I can't fix it, I will replace it. No questions, no excuses. My word. He put it on a sign. He told every customer. He said it out loud. And something shifted. People weren't just buying a laptop from Ahmed anymore. They were buying peace of mind. His business didn't just survive. It became the only shop people trusted because everyone else was selling laptops. Only Ahmed was selling a guarantee. That promise, that specific answer to the one fear nobody else was addressing, that was his USP, his unique selling proposition. And here's what USP actually means. It's not about being the cheapest option in the market. It's not about running the most ads. It's about finding the one fear your customer carries silently and becoming the only one who solves it. Every struggling business has the same hidden problem. They have a product, they have a price, they even have customers nearby, but they never give those customers a real reason to choose them. Find their fear, make your promise, keep it. That's where businesses stop dying, and that's where they start surviving.